Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to enable or disable the radio text information feature on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of your Mercedes infotainment system. Then let's here swipe until you see the radio. Under radio, let's use this settings icon. Under settings, you've got in the access to the radio settings, and one of them is radio text information. As you can see, you can easily enable or disable the radio text information. This toggles the scrolling text you see on the screen. So you can see the, for example, song title, artist name, or station slogan. If you turn this on, the screen will only show the station name and frequency, which looks cleaner but gives you less information. In my case, I will leave it to see the whole text, so I would like to see the whole text when I'm listening to the radio. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.